All right, how you doing today? Today we're taking a look at 9 free drum kits. Some really cool stuff that you can use in your music production. If you want the shorter version of this video with just sound demos, check that out as well. This goes into more detail, all the features and stuff like that. Not all the features, but a lot of the features. Anyways, check it out. Let's go. All right, so we got the ML drums here, free drum kit. We got a 4-piece kit here, hat, crash, ride, and China cymbal. The mixer on this one is really good. There's lots of extra features here that you won't find in other free plugins. Saturation for each channel, compression for the kick, snare, toms, and EQ and everything, all that kind of fun stuff that you need for your mixing. It has multiple out as well. It routes very quickly. You just turn on your multiple out plugin and it just routes. Well, in Logic it does. I'm not sure about other DAWs, but it instantly is routed for you. And then you got the default kit here, and that also comes with one snare here, and the second snare, one of the tunings for the second snare. And yeah, let's check it out. Blends in real nice with the song here. These are mixed ready. I have no extra processing on these. I could do some other stuff here. This is just on the bus if you want. Or you can separate them and mix them out as well. Next up is the Addictive Drums free version here. Now the thing about this one is kind of lame is that they only give you a kick, snare, and the hats and the crash here, so there's no toms or nothing. Pretty, yeah, I wish they would give you more. Who knows, maybe in an updated version there is, but this one has beats as well. The ML drums did not have beats or MIDI files and stuff, so there is that. And let's check this one out, the sound of it. Let's play it in the song real quick. Pretty good right out of the gate. We got extra effects here and stuff like that. The mixer, another one good. There's some limitations because this is a free version as well. And next up we got the BFD Player, which this one sounds really good. They got a bunch of presets here. Right now it's on the 80s Lover. Bare bone kind of mixer. We got some attack, sustain, mono, wide, release, gate, stuff like that, tone. And we have MIDI groups here as well. Let's play this one in a song. I like it kind of here. Very nice for this song particularly. Obviously, we go through some presets here. We got some different sounds you can go through. Every kit's going to sound different in different, song environments, different productions and stuff like that. These ones are really great for this rock kind of sound. Very nice. Go to a different preset here. And moving around here, we got the Steve and Slate, the 5. This is the free kit. And there's 3 presets here. This one's a little bit lower in the mix, so don't let the volume changes fool you. They all sound amazing. This one has pretty nice 7-piece kit here. Bunch of different cymbals, splash, china, crashes, and stuff like that. This one has grooves as well. Let's check out some of those grooves. Very nice. Okay, then from IK Multimedia, we have the Modo Drums. This is a Yamaha kit, 5-piece, actually 6-piece here. Looks like I got a splash here as well. And let's play this one here. All right, so right out of the box, you know, all of them don't fit exactly with your track. Like for example, we got the mixer here. We could do some stuff with this, like that snare is like for this song. So we got a lot of really cool stuff here with the mixer as well. And we got some grooves. Got some different things like the room here. We can change some of these sounds. We got the playing style. This is pretty cool too because we could, you know, change the wood tip to a nylon tip, which is pretty crazy. I mean, you really don't notice that much difference. Maybe on a ride cymbal or something. And then you can change where the left is hitting, the randomness of where the drummer would hit the head, which adds more realistic stuff to it. And we can do the same with the toms. So there's a lot of really cool features in here. Kick drum, we can change it to a plastic beater. Let's check that out. So you can definitely tell a difference there with the bass drum sound. These are some really cool features that you won't find in other drum modules. I mean, you had the drummer playing with the heel up or heel down. A lot of attention and detail in these. Let's check, see if we hear a difference. Maybe something slightly, but not, you know, nothing crazy. Maybe on different styles of music, faster music or stuff, it's a little different. But and then the toms, again, we could change out, you know, the tips. You'd have different drumsticks on the toms than you do on the snare. So pretty crazy. You even do no tip. So there's a lot of really cool features in here. And I should have mentioned too, the other ones have mappings for different things like that, V drums and everything, and different sequencers. Yeah, so pretty cool. If you want to unlock and the other stuff here, these are paid upgrades. You go to their store and you can buy different things, or you could buy the whole program outright. And yeah, so pretty cool. And then of course you could mix and match the drums. But a nice 7-piece drum kit to start off with is, you know, something that is great. And then have all these other drum kits you can bit and mix and match, like I said. So there's a lot of stuff in this one for the free pack. It's pretty good. And then we got this one's a little bit different. This is the Vault Beta. This is actually a collection of different instruments. So right now it's on the studio drums. They got pianos and stuff in here. This one is kind of more bare bones, but it sounds like this by itself. Then we got room, we got the width of the drums, and we got swash, yeah, that's a compressor. some different effects, echoes. This one sounds probably the most different, if that's even a word, most different. But it can be used in different applications. I actually used it in one of my songs. Next up is the MT Power Kit. This one is completely free. There's no, well, the last two actually, the Volts Beta, there's no upgrade to that either. It's just what it is. You don't have to pay for anything. The MT Power Kit, same thing, but you can make a donation and unlock this screen that pops up every time, or you can just skip it, but it, you know, you have to do that every time you open the plugin, or even open up your files and stuff like that. But a nice sounding rock kit. Let's go here. Well, let's go back to, let me have a mixer here as well. Not very bare bones mixer. We got the drums, and in the mix it sounds like this. This one comes with a bunch of grooves as well. And it has a little composer down here, sort of like the Easy Drummer thing. So you can do it that way too. I don't actually use it that way, but there's that. All right, so moving right along here. This is a contact instrument. It's Kocis drums. I don't know exactly how to pronounce it. This is like actually a metal kit, but it sounds good in your standard rock kind of stuff too. I mean, very similar to, let's see, check it out. So we do got some grooves here as well. And then the mixer is only available on the full version, so some limitations, more limitations on this one. And some of the other ones, but we got many different cymbals. Sounds amazing. Yeah, pretty cool. And then I made a whole other video about this, the Contact Library. I think it's called Contact Library Volume 2 or whatever it is, Factory Library. That's what it's called. Comes with a bunch of different drum kits, so I'm not going to do every kit here. There's another video for that, but this is just a studio break kit. That sounds a little crazy for what's going on in the song here, but there's also grooves. And we got the drag and drop MIDI here. So a lot of really cool stuff you can do with this. I made a separate video of this because there's so many drum kits in here. So check that video out too. Yeah, a lot of cool stuff.